I've got this Englow. It's an Englow. Let's see if we can see that number there. It's K5HCA8 air compressor, gas powered. Honda GX160, 5.5 horse. Put new gauges on it. New carburetor. We've got some hose here. We're going to start it real quick just so that you can see it start. We're going to turn the fuel switch on, make sure that the choke is where it should be, and it's been sitting. I should make sure that the switch is on. Okay, it's already been turned on. And go ahead, we'll now we'll just let it run here a little bit, see if it'll build up some air, and we'll show you how it works. Doesn't take very much time to set air up. Not really a video guy, but anyway, I wanted to make sure you saw this how it works. And we'll turn this off for a second and actually think about air. Spray the blower there. Spray the blower. Notice how it kicks back up. And now it kicks back down when it keeps up the speed. We'll try that blower one more time so you can see how it works. Okay, I'm not a real big video guy, but you can see that it starts up. It was one pole or two poles there. I hadn't ran for a couple days. All right, yep, just give me a call.